Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mridula Kadadevru, mathematics teacher for standard 6th. So children, today let us continue with our chapter 14 practical geometry. So children, let us start with the chapter. So children, I hope you all have practiced and enjoyed the construction. In the last video I had shown you how to construct an angle, copy of an angle, bisector, how to construct 60 degrees angle. Now I will be showing you how to construct 120 degrees angle. So for that, again draw a line segment and mark it as L, and then take any point O on it and then use your rounder, and with O as center and convenient radius, what you have to do? You have to draw an arc. I will take this much and then I will draw an arc like this. Now I have got a point here, isn't it? Mark this point as A. Now with A as center and same radius, what you do? You cut this arc. So when you cut this, you get 60 degrees, not 120. But when you observe 120, it is 2 times 60, isn't it? So what I will do? I will just extend my arc, and then with this as center, you have drawn one arc. Now with this as center, draw another arc here. Now you got a point here. Now join O and this point. So children, I hope you all are understanding this one. First you draw only one arc for 60 degrees. Now with this as center, draw another arc so that it will cut this big arc and make this point as C. Now join OC, and when you draw, you get an angle of 120 degrees. So just cross check it with the help of the protractor. See here children, it is exactly coinciding with 120 here. Is it clear? Students, now let us continue with exercise 14.6. The first question is, draw angle POQ of measure 75 degrees and find its line of symmetry. So the very first thing what you have to do is, you have to draw a line L, isn't it? Mark any point O on it as usual, which we had done in the construction. Now take any radius of your choice, convenient radius. Now what you will do? You will draw an arc. Now draw an arc. After that, with this as center, what you did? Same radius, you would cut here, and when you join, you would get 60, but we don't want 60, we need 75. So what I will do? With the same radius, I will draw another arc. But when I draw another arc here and when I join, I get 120 degrees. I had shown you earlier, isn't it? So what I will do? First mark these points A, B and C. This is 60 degrees, this is 120. I want 75. So first what I will do? With C as center and radius more than half of BC. See here children, observe carefully. More than half of BC, what I will do? I will draw an arc. Now with B as center and same radius, draw another arc. Now join O. I will mark this point as D. Join OD. Now children, when I join this, you observe that it is 90 degrees, but available we need is 75. So this is 60, this is 90. So from here to here it is 30. So 60 plus 30 is 90. So when you subtract 15 from this one, you get 75, isn't it? So take this point where it intersects to this. Mark this point as E, and with radius more than half. Now take B and E as your centers and take radius more than half of BE. Are you observing? Now take more than half of BE and then draw a arc with B as center and with E as center. Are you getting my point? Now you got a point. Mark this as F. Now join F and OF. So children, I have joined OF now. So this OF is nothing but the bisector of this 30 degrees formed between E and B. Now the angle formed here will be 75 degrees. 60 here plus 15, that becomes 75. Now let us check it with the help of the protractor. Now I'll just try to show it. See here children, it is exactly coinciding here, and when you observe, see here, is it exactly 75? Yes. So we got an angle of 75, but still the question is not finished. We have to find the line of symmetry. So for line of symmetry, what you have to do? First draw an arc. The arc is already there, so no need to draw. So mark this point here. Mark this point as G, and with A as center and radius more than half of AG. Half of AG, I will take this much. See here children, I will take this much and then draw a arc here, and with G as center draw another arc. I got a point here. Mark this as H and draw a dotted line joining O and H. I have drawn a line. So the angle formed here between this dotted line and this line, this one, it will be 37.5 degrees. That is half of 75. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder, 2 7s are 14, 1 remainder, take point, give 0, 2 5s are 37.5. You can check it with the help of the protractor. Adjust your protractor. So children, I have adjusted and I have checked it as well. I am not finding it easy to show it, but still I will try to show. See here, it is exactly 37.5. So like this you have to construct 75 degrees angle. I hope it is clear. Question number 2. Draw an angle of measure 147 degree and construct its bisector. So children, 147 degrees, they have not told you any this one. Use a ruler or a compass, anything. So draw an angle of 147 using your protractor. So children, I have drawn the 147 degrees angle with the help of protractor. Now take O as center and convenient radius. What you have to do? You have to draw an arc joining both the arms of the circle angle. So try to draw it. I have drawn. Now mark these points as C and D. Next step, what you have to do? With C as center and radius, after drawing arc, what you have to do? With C as center and radius more than half of CD, you have to draw an arc, and with the same radius again with D as center draw. You get a point and then join this point to O and name it as E. Now when you join, you get a bisector of 147. Bisector means 147 half, it will be 73.5 degrees. Now check it with the help of your protractor. So children, I have got exactly 73.5. You also try the same.